Well, I mean, one of the things about our culture, I guess, so my Tom is from Ireland. I'm an Irish citizen as well, so I would kind of joke around and call it a pub culture. That it's not that we go out drinking, it's more that, conversation, people have to be able to hold a long conversation, and they have to like being together, because you're together just so many hours. So our first interview, I think somebody blogged about it last week, but our first interview was taking the person out to lunch. Because if they can't hang with us for 1 hour, 3 people at lunch, then the N hours a day we're going to have to spend with them is just going to be no. So we really try to go for, something that looks good on paper. Then they get into lunch, and then just, fun to talk to. I mean, they have to be able to talk about movies and, whatever. I mean, I know it sounds strange, but you always get off topic when you're working, and you want somebody that has, somebody who's nice to be around. And then we like people that have had other projects. We find, like a lot of undergrads who have a small project on the side or have consulted or whatever. We find that the kind of people that have, multiple balls in the air are great, and people who have been at other startups are amazing.